Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix application error 0x0000005 on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the application error on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to press Windows plus R key. Then type here %temp%, then hit enter. Select all the folders by pressing Ctrl A. Just press Shift and delete. Click on yes. Just tick mark and click on skip and close this window. Again you have to press Windows plus R key, then type here prefetch, PREFETCH, prefetch. Just click on OK. Select all files, press Shift delete, click on yes and close this window. And the third method is just click on start menu, then type here CMD. Just right click on this command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Then you need to type here SFC space / scan now and hit enter. Guys, it will take some time. After completion of this, just close this window, and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. In this way you can fix application error 0x0000005 on your Windows 11 computer and laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.